using Statdisk to determine the linear correlation coefficient and regression equation. The following procedure requires that you have paired sample data in two different columns in the Statdisk sample editor. In this example, we use the full data set named Nobel Laureates and Chocolate. We open this data set by clicking on Datasets in the top menu of Statdisk, selecting Elementary Statistics 13th edition from the drop-down menu, and selecting the dataset titled Nobel Laureates and Chocolate. The selected item is highlighted in blue. The data for chocolate consumption in kilograms per capita are located in column 2 in the Statdisk sample editor, and the matching paired data for number of Nobel laureates per 10 million people are located in column 3. Click Analysis in the top menu of Statdisk and then select Correlation and Regression from the drop-down menu. In the Correlation and Regression dialog box, enter the desired significance level. In this example, we use the default value of 0.05. Next, select the columns to be used for the x and y variables. In this example, for the independent x variable column on the left, we select column 2, which contains the chocolate consumption data. For the dependent y variable column on the right, we select column 3, which includes the matching data for the number of Nobel laureates. Click the Evaluate button to display the results in Statdisk. The results include the correlation coefficient and the p-value. In this example, the correlation coefficient equals 0.801 and the p-value equals 0.000. Because the p-value is less than or equal to the significance level of 0.05, we conclude that there is sufficient evidence to support the conclusion that for countries, there is a linear correlation between a country's chocolate consumption and the number of Nobel laureates. Remember, correlation does not imply causality, and we should use common sense when interpreting results. In this example, it would be absurd to think that eating more chocolate would help win a Nobel Prize. Below the p-value, the regression equation results are displayed. These results include the y-intercept b0, which equals negative 3.367, and the slope b1, which equals 2.493. The regression equation can be expressed as the number of Nobel laureates equals negative 3.367 plus 2.493 times chocolate consumption. In addition to these results, we can also click the Scatter Plot button and the Residual Plot button to view these graphs.